my video channel. My name is James Cooper, but before we get underway, I would ask you to like, subscribe and share. Comment on the form below and see what we like. Today we're talking about Google Flight. Let's get to it. So, how to get to Google Flight? Quite simple. Type in Google and guess what? I've prepared it. Google Flight is there. Just click onto that. Now, where are you in the world? Now, my country is not listed here, so I'm going to put in Thailand, which is the nearest country, and it picks up your location straight away. Now, let's say I want to fly to Bangkok. Which airport you want to do? So the Suvarnabhumi airport or Dongmueang airport. Suvarnabhumi is the new one, Dongmueang is the old one, but I want to go here. What date do I want to go? April the 1st and come back April 5. And then I'm just going to click done, which is actually not on the screen. Economy, yeah, done. And you can see a host of choices. You've got Lani Lamai Air, which is 111, and you've got another one here, Thai Smile. So let's go with Thai Smile. It's departing at 0955 and arriving at 11 o'clock. Actually, I've done this flight quite often. It usually leaves a bit earlier than that and arrives, and it's only like a 40-minute journey. So let's go there. Okay, select flight. And then the return, it's departing at 7:50 and arriving in Siem Reap there. So we got a total of 138 in total. There we go. Now you don't really want to go with a travel agent, so go to the website directly and it will link you eventually to Thai Smile. And then you will have to do the whole thing again. So Siem Reap, I want to go there, the date, there to there. Take a little bit of time, and it's finding. So, promo flight, there. Return flight, there. Now, I got this now even cheaper at 135.52. So, before you book, here's a little trick, because maybe there's some kind of like payment system between Google and Thai Smile or whatever. Try to go direct. So I'm going to go back to the website, but I'm not going to go through Google. This is direct. Now, this is just on my favorites website. So let's see if there's anything different. Exactly the same. And book now, and let's see if there's any difference in the fare. Now this is direct without going through Google Flight. It's always worth to do. So want to leave in the morning, want to leave here, and the flight is the same, 132.52, which is pretty good. Now you can do this with lots of flights, but I would always go to the, once it's been done, don't go with a travel agent, go directly to the airline. And also do it directly through the airline without Google to see if it's any cheaper. I'm going to compare this to another website called Momondo. Now, this is recommended, and it's okay, but I'm going to do exactly the same distance. I don't want to go from there. I want to go from something called REP, which is my airport, which is there, and I want to go to BKK, which is the airport. Excuse me. Date is Wednesday to Sunday. Search. So we can see the same flights, but first of all, it's doing Air Asia, Air Asia, Air Asia. Now Air Asia is going to fly to Dongwon, but I don't want that. I want the actual big international airport. So I found it here, 9:55, but I don't want to fly back at, well, I do want to fly back at that time. So let's see if it's any different. And it takes me to Air Asia. So let's go back. Alright, exactly the same flights. Oh dear. I don't want Air Asia because you have to pay extra for luggage, etc., etc. With Thai Smile, you're going to get everything. Let me click in that. And it's going to go to Air Asia again. So, I have given up with Momondo because it is not very good. It seems to be sponsored by there. I'm going to try one more time. I'm just going to do it on Thai Smile. Okay, so I want to try. Okay, so it's gone here again. Now remember when we went to the airline direct, it was 135.52. What's this one going to do? Is it going to go direct, or do you have to check in again? So it's the same price. I did this before, and I just wanted to show you the difference, that it actually gave me a flight to Phnom Penh, then to Hanoi, and then to Bangkok, and it was costing over $500. But I would recommend, if you want to find a flight, like a lot of things, save a lot of time, go to Google Flight, which is just really easy to do. So again, to find the website, is just type in Google Flight. If you want to do another search, for example, later this year I'm planning to go to the UK to visit my mum, for example. So this time let's do a longer flight, and I want to go to LHR, which is London. I don't want to go economy, I want to go business. And when do I want to go? Let's say November 15, yeah. And return dates, let's say 22nd. Click done. So the cheapest one there is Bangkok Airways, stopping in Bangkok. But if you look at this, you can open it up here. So you can go to Bangkok Bangkok Airport, but it's economy. And then you have a bit of time at the airport before you go to Zurich, and then Zurich to London. So the total time, does it say how long it is? No, not really. The other one, I have looked at this one before, and here's another one that you can do on Cafe Dragon, Cafe Pacific. This one's a bit more expensive, but you've only got 2 flights. Okay, so Cafe, you'll be on business class, and then Hong Kong to there on business class 3,000. Search for it. I've found one that actually has with Singapore Air as well on this. You can go for 55 more flights. Then you do the same routine to see the airline, to see the prices. Okay, and they do slowly go up, but I did find one before on Google Flight there, but it's not there now. I wonder where it is. Ah, here it is, Silk Air. But now it's 3,140. So you can see like the prices apply. And again, if you wanted this flight, you could actually, what I would do now you've seen it, it's 3,140. You can go to Singapore Air, typing that in. So the whole thing is you don't have to go to every single travel agent. You can just do it there. I want to go from I want to go from Siam Reap to London. I type in London here. I want to go business. And I'm going to put in the same dates. November 15, coming back 22nd. Done. Everything there. Okay, doesn't seem to like this city so much. Oh dear. Well, I just wanted to see, and I also wanted to show you, this happens with live videos, if there is a cheaper price, but it doesn't really want to do anything with me. So the website is not the best in the world if it can't actually find where you want to fly from. So I'm trying to put in my city, but it doesn't want to do it. Maybe we can go back and plan travel, fair deals. I'm just going to go back to the home page, and let's see if I can do it one more time. So don't want to fly from there. Does it allow me to do it this time? Here we go. Yeah, so and we're going to London. Yes. Don't want to go economy, want to go business. Departure date, so sometimes you have to do it again. Life is not perfect always. So when did I say? November 15 to 22nd. Done. Search. And look at that, 3,078. So if you went through Google Flight, you would have to pay an extra $100. But if you found the flight that you liked and went to the airline direct, I have saved myself $100. So there we go. That is Google Flight. Thank you for watching. My name is James Cooper. Do like, subscribe, share. I'm out of here. Bye bye for now.